Imagine this. You're strolling through Rome's charming streets, the sun is shining, and your kids are having the time of their lives. But where are the best places to take them? Whether you're planning a Rome family vacation or just looking for kid-friendly spots, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll count down the best parks, playgrounds, and family-friendly restaurants to make your trip unforgettable. Stay tuned for our #1 must-visit spot. It's a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Kicking off our list is Villa Doria Pamphili, Rome's largest public park. This sprawling green oasis is perfect for families looking to escape the city's hustle and bustle. Kids can run freely across open fields, enjoy a picnic under shady trees, or explore the adventure playground, while parents relax and take in the breathtaking landscapes. The park features winding walking trails, serene open spaces, and even a small lake that adds to its tranquil charm. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat or a fun outdoor adventure, Villa Doria Pamphili is a must-visit for families. Next up is Explora, Rome's very own interactive children's museum. Designed to spark curiosity and creativity, this museum is a paradise for kids who love hands-on activities. Little ones can engage in role-playing games, experiment with science exhibits, and dive into art and craft sessions. The museum's educational displays are as entertaining as they are informative, making learning fun for children of all ages. Parents can relax at the on-site cafe, which serves healthy, kid-friendly meals to keep everyone energized for the day's adventures. Explora is a perfect blend of fun and education for the whole family. Rome isn't just about ancient history. It's also home to Bioparco di Roma, a fantastic zoo located within Villa Borghese. This expansive wildlife park houses over 200 species of animals, including lions, elephants, giraffes, and monkeys. Dedicated to conservation and education, the zoo offers interactive animal experiences that are both fun and enlightening for kids. Don't miss the reptile house and aviary, where you can get up close with exotic birds and reptiles. Bioparco di Roma is a thrilling and educational stop that will leave your little ones in awe. If your kids love theme parks, they'll adore Luneur Park, the oldest amusement park in Italy. Designed especially for children, this vibrant park is packed with mini roller coasters, carousels, bumper cars, and even a butterfly house. The colorful rides, lively music, and joyful atmosphere make it a dreamland for young adventurers. Parents can join in the fun or take a break at one of the relaxing seating areas while the kids enjoy the thrills. Luneur Park is a must-visit for families seeking a day full of laughter and excitement. For a mix of play and relaxation, head to Giardino degli Aranci, also known as the Orange Garden. Perched on Aventine Hill, this park offers stunning views of Rome, making it a perfect spot for families. Kids can run and play among the fragrant orange trees, while parents soak in the peaceful atmosphere and breathtaking panoramas. The combination of natural beauty and a serene environment makes Giardino degli Aranci a unique and memorable stop for families. For a truly authentic and entertaining Roman experience, the Gianicolo Hill Puppet Show is a must-see for families visiting Rome. This beloved outdoor performance has been delighting audiences for generations, with its lively puppetry, humorous storytelling, and classic Italian characters. Set in a charming open-air venue, the show transports visitors to a bygone era of traditional entertainment, creating a nostalgic and magical atmosphere that both children and adults will enjoy. The puppet theater, known as Teatro dei Burattini, showcases timeless tales with exaggerated gestures, witty dialogues, and playful interactions that keep little ones engaged while giving parents a taste of Rome's rich cultural heritage. Best of all, the performance is completely free, making it an accessible and budget-friendly activity for families. After the show, take in the breathtaking panoramic views of Rome from Gianicolo Hill, one of the city's most scenic spots, and round off the experience with a sweet treat from one of the nearby gelato shops. Whether you're looking for a lighthearted break from sightseeing or a unique way to introduce your kids to Italy's storytelling traditions, the Gianicolo Hill Puppet Show is an unforgettable addition to any Rome family vacation. Nestled in the heart of Villa Borghese, Casina di Raffaello is a delightful hidden gem that offers an immersive and enriching experience for families visiting Rome. Housed in a beautifully restored 16th century building, this vibrant children's library and activity center is designed to spark creativity and imagination. Kids can participate in interactive storytelling sessions, hands-on workshops, and engaging art classes, all tailored to inspire young minds. The thoughtfully designed play space provides a safe and stimulating environment where children can explore, learn, and express themselves through various creative activities. Meanwhile, parents can unwind at the nearby cafe or take a peaceful stroll through the picturesque gardens of Villa Borghese. With a rotating schedule of events and programs, Casina di Raffaello ensures that every visit feels fresh and exciting. Whether your family is looking for a quiet retreat from the bustling city or a fun-filled educational experience, this charming spot is a must-visit on your Rome family vacation. For a truly special meal, Ristorante Aroma offers one of the most unforgettable dining experiences in Rome, blending world-class cuisine with a breathtaking view of the Colosseum. This Michelin-starred restaurant is renowned for its elegant ambiance, impeccable service, and a menu that showcases the finest Italian flavors, crafted by top chefs. While parents indulge in gourmet dishes like handmade pasta, succulent seafood, and decadent desserts, kids can enjoy a thoughtfully designed menu featuring classic favorites such as margherita pizza, creamy carbonara, and fresh gelato. The restaurant's attentive staff goes above and beyond to accommodate families, ensuring a stress-free and enjoyable dining experience for guests of all ages. Perched on a rooftop with a panoramic view of Rome's iconic landmarks, Ristorante Aroma provides a magical setting for a memorable meal, whether you're celebrating a special occasion or simply savoring the joy of a family vacation. With its perfect blend of fine dining, family-friendly hospitality, and awe-inspiring scenery, Ristorante Aroma is a must-visit destination that will delight both adults and children alike. At number 1, we have Villa Borghese, Rome's ultimate family destination, and a sprawling 80-hectare park that offers something for everyone. Kids will adore the Bioparco di Roma, a zoo home to over 200 species, including lions, elephants, and giraffes, while pedal-powered go-karts and bike rentals provide endless fun for exploring the park's tree-lined pathways. Families can enjoy serene boat rides on the Temple of Aesculapius Lake, soak in art and history at the Galleria Borghese, or let little ones unleash their creativity at Casina di Raffaello, a charming children's activity center. The park also features playgrounds, puppet shows, and family-friendly cafes, making it easy to spend an entire day here. As the sun sets, head to the Pincio Terrace for breathtaking panoramic views of Rome, creating the perfect ending to a day filled with adventure, culture, and relaxation. With its mix of activities, stunning scenery, and family-friendly amenities, Villa Borghese is a must-visit destination that promises unforgettable memories for every member of the family. Rome isn't just a city for history lovers, it's a fantastic destination for families. With stunning parks, exciting playgrounds, and delicious kid-friendly restaurants, your little ones will have the time of their lives. Which of these spots would you visit first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.